Ever found yourself pondering over the persistent problem of sewer line blockages? Well, a solution is here, and it's called sewer line jetting. Sewer line jetting, also known as hydrojetting, is a revolutionary cleaning technique that uses high-pressure water to clear debris and buildup from your sewer lines. Imagine a power washer, but for your pipes. This process is not only quick and efficient, but also cost-effective. So how does it work? It's simple, really. Water is passed through a specific type of pipe and nozzle to create a high-pressure jet. This pressurized water is then used to clean surfaces, clear clogged sewage pipelines, and unblock drainage chambers. The benefits of pressure water jetting are manifold. Firstly, it improves drainage and water flow by effectively removing blockages. Secondly, it prevents future clogs from forming by keeping your pipes and drains clear of debris. Lastly, it helps maintain a clean and hygienic environment, especially in the basements of large buildings. So, are you ready to bid farewell to your sewer line problems? It's time to get in touch with a professional sewer line jetting company. Schedule an appointment, ask questions, and make sure to read reviews to ensure you're getting the best service. In conclusion, high-pressure water jetting is an excellent way to keep your pipes and drains clean and clear of debris. It's cost-effective, fast, and efficient, and can prevent future costly repairs. If you're considering sewer line jetting, remember to contact a professional and ask the right questions to ensure you get the best service possible. Asianet Bangalore Tank Cleaning Company, part of the Asianet Groups, provides an effective and efficient solution to clean sewer lines, unclog pipes, and clear underground drainage chambers. Using water at high pressure, they can remove clogs and debris that are hard to reach with traditional methods. So why wait? Say goodbye to your sewer line problems today with sewer line jetting.